esperanza en la vida eterna. Apocalipsis, tiempos postreros, rechaza la violencia, acércate a la fe, pon tu corazón de campaña por la paz y la gloria sea su nombre. Amén.
Hey, what's up, everybody? How you doing? This is Kat Deluna and
yo, this is Michael Jackson, man.
Wyclef Jean, and we're here chilling.
Yo, Kat, listen. Yo, I heard some of your album. It sounded crazy.
Thank you. I heard some of your album. That is crazy. We about to take over this year to the show. Can't nobody. I don't think they're ready for it.
Yo, Dominicans and the Haitians
is on. Hey,
Bullet.
And we're like the same islands, Dominicans and Haitians.
Island, man. Espanol, like everybody unite. You know what I mean? All that war going on, Dominican and Haiti, all that beef. Look, we have just squashed it. Keep it moving on some positivity.
Definitely. You know, nothing but love right here.
Yo, you got a hot smile.
Estrellas internacionales, mis amigos, de paso por República Dominicana. Tabú Combo de Haití para los amigos del show del 4. ¡Qué alegría! Hay que darle gracias a Dios, amigos, por permitirle a uno disfrutar de esta buena música en el show del 4 con esta agrupación músico-vocal Tabú Combo.
Come on.